Hello friends, welcome back to our vlog. Today we are taking you inside Malaysia's biggest tech mall, a heaven for geeks and a total trap if you don't know where to look. If you love tech, this is a must visit, even for tourists. Alright guys, we are right outside Plaza Low Yat, located in the heart of Bukit Bintang. Actually, it's just a few minutes from Imbi monorail and Bukit Bintang MRT. Super easy to get here. By the way, the legendary tech YouTuber Linus Tech Tips was just here at Plaza Low Yat a few days back. The moment you step closer, you'll feel the buzz. It's always packed with locals and tourists hunting for the best tech deals. Hey guys, we have arrived at Plaza Low Yat, which is Malaysia's largest IT and gadgets hub. So this place is a paradise for tech lovers. So it offers everything from laptops to smartphones, even you need any gaming gadgets or gaming gears, accessories, and also any repair work that you need for your electronic items. Everything is available at an affordable price. So this is a must visit for people coming to Malaysia and trying to seek something which is IT or tech related. Plaza Low Yat is the place to be. So let's explore this place and of course let's share feedback with you. How do we find it, and of course we'll give you a lot of pro tips here. So if you're a tourist, this is where you can grab a local SIM card and it's super convenient. The shop on the left has DJI drones, pro microphones and cameras from Sony and Canon, all in one place. Perfect spot if you are a content creator. And it's not just drones and cameras, the ground floor is loaded with flagship stores and brand concept outlets. You've got Apple reseller, Huawei, HP, Asus, Lenovo and Sony, along with Oppo, Vivo, Realme and Samsung. If you are after genuine products with warranty and official support, this is the safest floor to shop, and you're directly dealing with the brand authorized stores, so no funny business here. From here you can see all the floors stacked with tech goodies, from gadgets on the ground floor to computers, accessories and even gaming gear up top. My personal favorite is the third floor, so we'll show the amazing stores here later in this vlog. Here's the official Sony store. You'll find everything from cameras, headphones and speakers to gaming consoles. So as part of our shopping list, we had earbuds on the radar. And although our AirPods are great, I'm always looking for value for money options. That's when I came across the Redmi Buds Pro 6 here at the MI store. They give me all the features I want. Great sound quality, active noise cancellation and a comfortable fit, all at a fraction of price of the premium brands. I got it for 269 Malaysian ringgit. We came for gadgets, but of course, here's what Asawari found in the middle of an IT mall. She's definitely got an eye for jewellery accessories, even when she's surrounded by tech accessories. Alright, let's check out the upper ground floor and see what it's got. The upper ground floor is all about mobile phones and accessories. You'll find tons of multi-brand retailers and great bundle deals here. Perfect spot if you are hunting for competitive prices. Pro tip: always compare prices across a few shops before buying. It can save you a decent chunk. This store is Propel store. You'll find phone covers, chargers, cables, headphones, portable speakers, even tripods, karaoke mics, ring lights and more here. It's a treasure chest for content creators and casual shoppers alike. Pro tip: don't take the first price. Bargaining is totally expected here. One more tip: shops with official brand signboards here are usually more reliable, better quality, proper receipts and legit warranties. This one is a good store for cameras. We actually got our Canon DSLR from here last time. A pro tip: always compare prices across a few shops before buying. It can save you a decent chunk. can see that there are a lot of phone repair shops here. These are good deal prices for iPhone 12 and iPhone 15 used ones. If you're looking for used iPhones with warranty, 3Cat store is a solid bet. For 256 GB variants, used iPhone 15 for 3199 and 14 for 2199. Pretty good deals, I must say. They have 10 days return policy, no questions asked, and 1 year store warranty. We are now on the first floor, which is known for a mix of mobile phones, gadgets, accessories and repair services. Asia Power is one of the prominent stores on this floor for tech accessories. You can see iPhone cases with prices here. It's a popular floor for consumers looking to buy tech products at competitive prices. Asawari is buying her iPhone case. This shop, iPhone Specialist, is a genuine one for iPhone repair. Look out for Mustafa Bhai. This is Mo store with high quality mobile accessories. They offer a wide range of products including phone cases, screen protectors, chargers, earphones and more. They provide genuine products with reliable warranties. Beware of fake product sellers on this floor and look for bundle deals for better pricing. Don't forget to bargain. Now on to the second floor, which is renowned for its computing and IT accessories. This floor houses a variety of stores offering laptops new and used. Brands like Dell, HP, Lenovo and Asus are commonly available. Computer components, keyboards, mouse, printers, networking equipments and gaming gears. You find it all. That's the price of Lenovo laptop, 3099 Malaysian ringgit. We had a small repair needed on our HP printer and Ikhlas shop is hands down the best place on this floor for reliable service and honest advice. Now on to the third floor, which has two amazing hyper stores. First up, my personal favorite, Viewnet. Now if there's one place in Plaza Low Yat that feels like a full-blown tech supermarket, it's Viewnet. This is one of the biggest and most trusted hyper stores in the entire mall, and it's perfect for those who don't want to hop between tiny kiosks. They've got everything under one roof, from laptops, desktops and gaming PCs to keyboards, monitors, graphic cards and even networking gear. Whether you are building your dream gaming setup or just need a reliable work from home tech stuffs, Viewnet's got you covered. And guess what? The prices here are super competitive. These hyperstores source products directly from the manufacturers or act as wholesalers, reducing intermediary costs and allowing for lower retail prices. Since it's a hyperstore, you get genuine products with proper receipts and warranties, no shady stuff, which makes it especially great for tourists and first-time buyers. You'll find top brands and almost all the tech accessories here. The staff here is knowledgeable. No pushy sales talk, just genuine help. Wow, I got Logitech Zone Vibe 100 wireless headphones for just 299 Malaysian ringgit. Amazing crazy deal here. Honestly, Viewnet is our go-to store whenever we want a smooth, safe and reliable shopping experience at Plaza Low Yat. Don't forget to register online for their membership and get discount.
Hollyland nahitar Boya, dono pe share. Of course, if you're vlogging, best microphones for your recording will be DJI and Rode, of course, but those are quite expensive. If I talk in terms of ringgits, Malaysian ringgits, those would be around 1100, 1200. So I would recommend this one for beginners. Yes, this is Boya brand, and the second brand which is good is Hollyland is also good, but this one is more better if you're using a camera and you're recording. And normally for the phones recording, this one will be the better one.
Got Boyalink V2.0 microphone for just 370 Malaysian ringgit. Let's keep vlogging. Whoa, ended up doing a lot of shopping here. All IT Hypermarket is another must visit at Plaza Low Yat. It's spacious, well organized, and loaded with a huge variety of tech essentials. You'll find everything here, whether you are upgrading your home office or setting up a gaming battle station. This place has it all. One thing I love here is the range of genuine branded accessories. They've even got a solid selection of storage devices, SSDs, SD cards, and cables, which are always useful. Prices here are competitive, and best part, everything comes with proper invoices and warranties, so you can shop with peace of mind. While our little Vivan is busy enjoying his car racing simulator here, if you like this tech-filled adventure, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And of course, hit that bell icon so you never miss a vlog from us. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.